My today's look, as usual, has no liquid foundation and, of course, no concealer. But this is how it's gonna look. For daily makeup, if you don't have too many blemishes or marks on your face, such looks work out much better. I'm going to moisturize my face. My skin routine is of course done, sunscreen's applied, but before makeup I always use a moisturizer. So I'm using the Ashwagandha Bounce by 82E, which is one of my favorites. For daily makeup, a good compact or a powder foundation like Studio Fix is more than enough. You can always carry it in your purse and touch it up easily. You can also use concealer on spots with this kind of a powder foundation, and without having the liquid foundation out there on your face, it's not going to look layered and cakey. I'm taking a very basic light brown eyeshadow to put it on my upper lid to contour my eyes, which is a very important step. Take a fluffy brush and contour the top of your eyes and come down a little bit. If you have hooded eyes, go beyond your crease line, but make sure you really blend this with patience. I usually stick to kajals or eyeshadows or very dry eyeliners, not liquid eyeliners, because that kind of gets messy and it's not a preference of mine. But if you want to add a liquid liner to all of my looks, please go ahead, because there are no rigid rules as long as you like what you see in the mirror. Now take a pencil brush and a dark brown eyeshadow. Pencil brushes are widely available. Just tap off the extra product and line your outer lower lash line. And whatever product is left on your brush, bring it out to the upper lid till the crease line, but don't bring it all the way in. Just do a little bit of shading, making sure you move the brush from outside to inside. This will contour your eyes and make it look even better. It gives you a beautiful look. And the dark to light shade will be from the outer corner to the inner corner, but just make sure both your eyes are done equally. Now take the shimmer shade on your palette or any shimmer shade of your choice with your finger and dab it on from the inner corner and blend it into the brown. Always take less product and then take more if needed. Since you've used the shimmer shade, just touch up the outer corner brown. I always set my eyebrows with a gel. I usually don't draw it because I don't need to. If you need to, go for it. Otherwise, just a gel will set it and make sure it doesn't move from its place. Complete your eye makeup with a mascara. A good mascara is a more natural look compared to using false eyelashes at a daily basis or at a regular basis. And if you're scared of mascara, especially the removal, just use a baby wipe. Before that, use a baby oil and you'll be sorted. I'm using the Huda Legit lashes. You have to use the volume side first and then you go for the curl and length. If you want to buy any other mascara, just make sure it's not waterproof and make sure it either says curling or volume. That's going to give you a really nice look. And if you don't want to use the same products as me, which is absolutely fine, I'm just sharing the techniques. I've captioned the names if you want to use them. Otherwise, just buy products of your choice and stick to the technique. Whatever I use, you will get on Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Amazon or Sephora, and I don't add links because they expire in a month. Anyway, I always prime my lips with a nude lip liner so that my lipstick stays longer. Then I'm taking a darker lip liner to define my lips properly. Dab the darker lip liner a little bit to blend it in. Just make sure that you don't take it towards the outside. Dab it by keeping the lip liner within the lip line. Now this lipstick is Panda Me by MAC. It's a nude tone that goes with most Indian skin tones, but please go for a nude shade of your own choice. And then let's see, maybe we'll use some gloss. Yes, I'm going to use some lip gloss just to add a little dimension and glam to my whole look, because it's still a light look on my skin, but that does not mean we cannot have perfect eye makeup and a perfect lip. I'm not going to contour my face, but I'm definitely going to use a blush. It adds a little bit of a dimension to the face, and if you apply it in the direction or the angle that I'm applying it in, your face will look contoured anyway. Now I'm going to touch up my powder foundation wherever required. I found this really cute highlighter by Nude Sticks. It's easy to apply. You can use a highlighter of your choice. I'm just trying this for the first time and I quite like it. So I'm going to use this a lot. Anyway, my makeup is done. I hope you like it. I hope you follow, subscribe, and I hope my makeup tips are making your life easy. I'll see you soon with another glamorous, simple and doable as well as relatable look very soon. Take care. Hope you have a wonderful and glamorous day.